Is there something better than smoky salted melted cheese and prosciutto ham? What if I can tell you that you can make it in less than 5 minutes? Let me show you how. But if you're new to the channel, please consider to subscribe first. Let's start. Use only non-stick skillet. First, we will need the skillet preheated, so let's leave it for 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat. In the meantime, we take the cheese, I use scamorza, cut it in half, and then make an opening so we can insert the ham. Do this for both pieces. Next, take a few slices of ham and insert them into the cut, making sandwich-like shape. Now we have them both ready. The skillet should be hot enough by now, so we can start cooking them. I start by adding one of them into the skillet. First, we want the cheese to start heating up and start melting. This should take around 3 minutes. Now we can flip it and cook for another 2 minutes. We increase the temperature so the delicious smoky crust can form on the outside. We flip it again and we leave it cooking for 1 additional minute on high heat so the same crust will form on the bottom as well. And it's ready. We can put it in a plate. This meal goes well with some tomatoes. We can season only the tomatoes with salt and pepper because the scamorza is already salty. And here it is. Perfectly done. Let's try it now. Amazing. Here and also in the description below you can find a list of ingredients. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're in a mood for another recipe, here you can find 2 other ideas for a delicious meal. Thank you and buon appetito!